Hello students, welcome to video lecture of first year engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss finding center of curvature and circle of curvature for the curve root x plus root y is equal to root a at the rate a by 4, a by 4. Once again, we can see when the value of x and y are same, then center of curvature will also be same. Okay, so initially let us consider the given curve. Given curve is root x plus root y is equal to root a, where x, y are a by 4, a by 4. a by 4, a by 4. Therefore, differentiate the given curve with respect to x. Okay, if you differentiate it with respect to x, what it is? 1 divided by 2 root x plus 1 divided by 2 root y into differentiation of y is y1 is equal to 0. Take 1 by 2 common and send it to the other end, it becomes 0 only. Therefore, 1 divided by root x is equal to y1 minus y1 divided by root y. Therefore, what is y1? y1 is equal to, I'll keep it here, then it will be sent to other end. Then it is minus root y divided by root x. So this is y1. Then differentiate this y1 with respect to x to get y2. What is that then? If we differentiate this by using division method, where minus is common, then divided by square of the denominator, that is root x the square, then root x, differentiation of root y is 1 divided by 2 root y into y1 minus root y common, and differentiation of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. Clear? Therefore, instead of simplifying, better we'll substitute the values directly. At the point x, y is equal to a by 4, comma, a by 4. Let us see what will be y1. y1 at the rate of a by 4, comma, a by 4 is equal to minus root a by 4 divided by root a by 4. It get cancelled, so it is equal to minus 1. Therefore, y1 is equal to minus 1. Fine. Then y2 is equal to minus of, substitute the values. 1 root x, so that is root a by 4 into bracket 1 divided by 2 root a by 4 into y1, that is minus 1, minus root a by 4 into 1 divided by 2 root a by 4. This whole thing divided by root a by 4 the square. Here we can see a by 4 get cancelled, a by 4 get cancelled. Therefore, y2 is equal to, here it is minus of minus plus 1 by 2. Okay. Then second part, what will be second part? So here again minus of minus plus, same thing, it is 1 by 2 divided by a by 4. Therefore, it is 1 divided by a by 4, that is nothing but 4 by a is equal to y2. Clear? So y1 and y2 we got. Therefore, center of curvature C, that is alpha beta, where alpha is equal to, what is the formula for alpha? That is x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. Beta is equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. These are the formulas. Therefore, substitute the values. Alpha is equal to, what is alpha then? Alpha is equal to x. X is a by 4. So, a divided by 4 minus y1, that is minus 1 into 1 plus minus 1 square divided by a by 4. A by 4. So, that is equal to a by 4 minus of minus plus, then it is 2 divided by a by 4. Clear? When this part goes to numerator, then 2 by 4, okay, 2 by 4 will become, here the value of y2 is 4 by a, okay, this is 4 divided by a, therefore 2 get cancelled, and this becomes 2 by a. When it goes to numerator, it becomes a by 2a by 4, which is nothing but alpha is equal to 3a by 4. Similarly, beta is equal to y. What is y? A by 4 plus 1 plus of minus 1 square divided by y2, that is 4 by a. So this is equal to a by 4 plus 2. 1s are 2s are. Okay. Clear? If this goes to numerator, then it becomes 2a by 4. That is nothing but 3a by 4. Therefore, beta is equal to 3a by 4. Clear? Therefore, alpha and beta. Therefore, center of curvature C is alpha beta, which is nothing but 3a by 4 comma 3a by 4. So this is the value. Fine. Then we take radius of curvature. Radius of curvature, rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2. The formula. Okay. So let us substitute the value and let us see what it will be. Rho is equal to 1 plus minus 1 square raised to 3 by 2, that divided by y2. What is y2? 4 by a. Okay. So this is nothing but a goes to numerator, then this becomes 2 raised to 3 by 2 divided by 4. That is nothing but 2 root 2 divided by 4. 1s are 2s are. Therefore, it becomes root 2a by 2. This can be written as root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 get cancelled. Therefore, that is equal to a divided by root 2. This is the value of rho. Fine. Then comes center of curvature. Sorry, circle of curvature. Circle of curvature is x minus alpha square plus y minus beta square is equal to rho square. Therefore, x minus alpha square, substitute the value of alpha, beta and rho, which is already calculated. Substitute alpha, beta, rho. Therefore, it becomes x minus alpha. Alpha is 3a by 4 the square plus y minus 3a by 4 the square, that is equal to rho square. Rho square is a by root 2 the square, which is nothing but a square by 2. Fine. A square by 2. This is circle